Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. I want you to pause for a moment and ask yourself, what does fasting truly mean to me? Is it just about skipping meals from dawn until sunset? Is it simply a test of endurance, pushing through hunger and thirst until we hear the call for Maghrib? Or is there something much greater that we should be striving for? The reality is that fasting is not just about the body, it is about the soul. It is not just about what we stay away from, but what we develop within ourselves. Our Prophet ﷺ teaches us that true fasting goes beyond food and drink. There are three things that we must also give up for our fasting to be complete. The first thing we must leave is false speech. This includes lying, backbiting, gossiping, and using foul language. A person may go an entire day without eating or drinking, but if they lie, if they engage in slander, if they hurt others with their words, then their fast is incomplete. Our Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever does not give up false speech and acting upon it, Allah has no need for him to leave his food and drink." This means fasting is not just for the stomach, it is for the tongue. A true fast is one where we guard our words, speak only what is good, and avoid harming others with our speech. The second thing we must stay away from is evil deeds. Fasting is not just about what we don't consume, it's about what we don't do. Our eyes must fast from looking at haram, our hands must fast from harming others, our feet must fast from walking towards sinful places. Ramadan is a time to purify ourselves, to break bad habits, and to reconnect with Allah. If we continue to sin while fasting, we are missing the true purpose of Ramadan. The Prophet ﷺ teaches us that fasting should flow through our entire being. It should be reflected in our actions, our choices, and our behavior. The third thing to avoid is ignorance and bad character. Ignorance is not just a lack of knowledge. It is knowing what is right and choosing not to follow it. It is knowing that prayer is obligatory, but delaying it. It is knowing that anger is destructive, but allowing it to control us. Our beloved Prophet ﷺ also warned us against foolishness and arrogance. If someone argues with you, if someone insults you, what should you do? The Prophet ﷺ said, if someone insults you or tries to fight with you, say twice, "I am fasting, I am fasting." This means we must control our temper, hold back our anger, and walk away from conflict. At the end of the day, my dear brothers and sisters, Ramadan is not about starving ourselves. Allah does not want to make us suffer. He wants to elevate us. He wants us to develop taqwa, the consciousness of Allah. Allah clearly states in the Quran, "O you who believe, fasting has been prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, so that you may attain taqwa." Taqwa is what protects us. It keeps our hearts pure, our actions sincere, and our fasting accepted. So as we fast this Ramadan, let us remember, the true fast is not just about avoiding food and drink. It is about protecting our speech, our actions, and our hearts. May Allah grant us the ability to fast in the way that pleases Him. Ya Allah, make this Ramadan a turning point in our lives, where we leave behind our bad habits and emerge as better, more righteous servants of yours. If you liked this video, comment Alhamdulillah, and don't forget to keep us in your prayers. To show your continued support, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.